Hello! Um, Let me say hi to everyone really quick. Hi, Toby. Hi, Louie. Hi, Winago. Hi, Kravich. Hi, Takuma. Hi, Cookie. Hi, Loloko. Hi, Ray. Hi, Sunny. Hi, Smoked Tofu. Hi Anna. Hi Exosia. Hi Beast King. Hi Toby. Oh yes, I already said. Hi homie. I am alive. I feel much better today. Let's go. I am upgrading. Yes, I'm upgrading before Wilds. Hi Rainy. Hello, hello. How are you? So yes, as you can see, the beast is here. Out of my parts. These are the specs. Beautiful. Glad to hear I'm feeling better. Thank you. I think I managed to like not get sick somehow. Somehow? I don't really understand why, because I was starting to feel shitty yesterday, but then like I rested and we're Gucci today. Gucci? I don't know where my fucking camera is because I moved it. I don't know where I should build the PC. Like, I pushed everything to the very back of my desk, and I don't know what I'm going to do. Hi, Billbirds! Hello, hello! Hi, Wolf's Howl! Hi, Captain Depp! Hello, how is everyone? I know, it's crazy what some good rest does. I am really excited. So I'm gonna move my camera so you can see. My case is... Ah! I'm clicking things that I don't want to click! And before I accidentally end my stream. My case is over there, along with my bed. And, yeah, it's fucking massive, so money does buy happiness. No, I just really like computers. I don't know where the fuck to build this thing. Like, the case is massive. I don't think it's gonna fit on my desk. Your upgrade was to a 7800 X3D. Ayo! I thought about getting the 7800X. I thought about getting, well, originally I was gonna get a 7900, but I couldn't get a hold of one. So I kind of got forced to upgrade to a 9900. It's a massive upgrade though. Money buys happiness. I saved up for a long time to build this PC. Okay, I saved up for a very long time to buy this PC. Yeah, I don't even know where the fuck to start with this. I mean, we can start with the motherboard. I can start with the motherboard. That's a good start. I just don't know how I want to do the installation for this case, to be honest, because I don't know if I want to do the graphics card in a floating, like if I want to do the floating installation or if I want to do a vertical installation. It's hard. I know motherboard first, but like, fuck. This thing is heavy. It's been a while since I built a PC. Forgive me. Quick installation. Oh, what's this? I don't know, but I'm gonna pick it out. Oh, extra screw. The nice thing is I didn't have to register any of my shit for warranty because the store I bought all this stuff from was like, oh yeah, you bring it back to us, we warranty it for like 3 years. And I was like, huh? What do you mean? That's not going on my case, I'm sorry. I'm excited. It's my first time doing an AMD CPU as well, by the way. Oh, this is not great. Yeah, I know how to do all of this. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's fine. Thank you, Krabs. I'm gonna put it on top. So I'm gonna throw shit everywhere, like all of this stream. It's going to be so messy. I'm so sorry. I'm hoping I can finish it tonight. Like, really hoping I can finish it tonight. Come out. It's so pretty! I did do full white build, because why the fuck not? Where am I? My build kit. Don't need this. I fucking love this kit. Hi, Newgener. Hi, Neko. Hi, Sugoi. I fucking love this. The iFixit kits are so nice. Like, they're not super expensive, and they're so, so, so good. Can it run After Effects? Of course it can run After Effects. My PC can run fucking everything now. If my PC can't run something, I'm gonna be angry. I'm gonna be so fucking angry. When will I build your PC? When you buy the parts. Buy the parts first. I'll build it for you. Maybe not really, because I don't know if I'm gonna go to Germany anytime soon, but I'm not buying parts for you, if that's what you're asking. The only thing that's not white is my power supply and my SSD. Sorry! Hi, Zerta! Where did I buy my parts? From a local store? Who is the new Jenner? What do you mean, new Jenner? What is a new Jenner, Takuma? New PC build? Yeah, it's new PC build time. I'm like blocking all of the light. I'm so sorry. I don't mean it. Newgener is pronounced like win. Win? Mugen? What? What? Imagine a PC that can run After Effects. You'd go full skibbity on your editing. I don't... Why do they put so many shit inside? Look at this. It's all white. And this is RGB RAM, of course. You can see how long my nails are. I need to get them done so fucking bad. I'm so sorry. That's cringe. My nails are super long. RGB white RAM. Let's go. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. They're bad right now. I need to cut them and get them done. And all the parts. 2 terabyte NVMe. Let's go. Hi, Smoker. This little thing holds so much data. It's beautiful. I'm being cringe. I'm sorry. I'm too excited about this stupid thing. I am too excited about this. You need a manicure? I need a manicure. I'm good, Smoker. How are you? Why is that doing that? Don't do that. Imagine not only white PC, imagine white and purple. Mine is gonna be white and purple because you know what? All the RGB is gonna be purple. Also, did you see my keyboard? Like, my fucking setup is white and purple. Look at this shit! White and purple! You snuck out of the class? Why did you sneak out of the class? Did you say you had to go to the bathroom, or did you actually leave? Holy shit! This is the exciting part. The fucking really exciting part. Here. Looking clean. I mean, it's all white. Of course it looks clean. If it wasn't all white, it wouldn't look so clean. I don't have anything against black builds, by the way. I really don't. But it's not my style. I'm really happy this one is going to be all white. I already inspected the motherboard before. I did give context! I said I have nothing against a black build. A black PC build. Oh my god. Just open the door and walk through. Your friends' PCs are black? Hi, little Daigi! My friends' PCs are black too. Don't worry. Like I said, I have nothing against it. I just want my own build to be white. Beauty weekend? A beauty weekend? Hi, Al. This is crazy. This is my first time building like a really, really, really expensive PC, by the way. All my builds before this have been pretty budget builds, like 1,000 or under. So this is insane for me. Scrub the protective brush off. What do you mean scrub the protective? Just open it. Scrub. Thankfully, I'm not done. The total cost for this one is approximately 3,000. I want to say 3,500. Don't be nervous. If you make a mistake, you only lose everything. I know, it's fucking expensive. Oh, the yellow one? On the, what? There's nothing. The yellow one on CPU. What do you mean yellow one on the CPU? There's nothing yellow on it. You're building a new PC and you're currently looping your switches? Let's go! Yeah, I saved a lot of money for this one. A lot of money. What it? This is an AM5, right? Hello! I don't know why my daily check-in and shit doesn't work on this screen. Wait! Oh, wait, let me do this then. Fuck it. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna fix this. Because I forgot my stuff doesn't show up on this screen, so I'm gonna change to this one. And I'm gonna make my hand camera max. Big brain. Except I need to do this. Okay, I think it's fine now. Except the chat is gone now, because it's below the hand camera. Yay! I fixed it! Yippee! Okay, that's better. I think. Have fun, thank you! Hi, man! Hello, hello, hello! We're building no PC today. Big moves. Okay. I think it's okay now. I just gotta remember to put it back later. Okay, now that I've gotten everything out and like put it everywhere and I didn't even know what I was doing. Oh. This part. I was like, what the fuck is going on with this, like... Yeah, this needs to come off. I'm gonna leave it on until I put the CPU in, though. Chat, chat, chat. The thermal paste goes here, right? Right here? Put all the thermal paste here. Ah! Pachi! Hi, Pachiko! Ahoy, anchor's down. Tomopachi's inbound. Hello, welcome. I'm sorry I don't have my VTuber model out right now because I built new PC today. I don't want it to block the screen from all the beautiful parts. Let me say hi to everyone. Hello, Horakami. Hi, Ryomeshi. Hi, Pachiko. Hi, Genie. Hi, Kram. Hi, Nieri. For Super? Yeah. Big upgrades for Wilds. Welcome, Raiders. It's non-conductive. Thank you. Pachiko, how was your stream? Let me give shout out. Hi, Sotikam. Hi, Sean Eats Food. Hi, Onyx. Welcome, welcome. Pachiko. Pachi. Oh. You were playing. Oh, yeah, you were playing Just Shine too? Ayo? Play. Please don't damage the connector. I won't damage the connector. It's okay. Thank you so much for following Onyx. Welcome, Raiders. Hi, my name is Io. I am a Dream Sheep VTuber. I'm so sorry I don't have my model out. I can get her out if you want to see her, but I was hiding her because PC build take up a lot of screen space. A lot of screen space. But I can get her out really quick. Just for you. I am currently PNG tuber because my actual live 2D model is being worked on. Thank you so much for buying Rio. Rio? I don't wanna talk, baby. I just wanna dance. Hey! Was just doing EP yapping. You were supposed to do a short stream, but ended up being 5 hours. That's what always happens, isn't it? Fun! Thermal paste? Oh my god, no. No. Not like this. It's old. Okay, I'm not putting it in my mouth. I need to double check the direction on this though. Because I don't want to fuck up. Here! We don't We don't? If it was new, no, I'm not going to eat it. It's probably graphics card. It's probably disgusting tasting and also poisonous, so. Don't touch. Just drop and don't touch, and then we pray it. No. Okay, we're good. Please, please, please be okay. I think it's okay. It's not my first time building a PC, but it always stresses me out. You'll just pretend now you'll understand all the PC talk here and nod. It's okay, it's okay. Cracks. No! Spring rolls. Ooh, can I have spring rolls? Cookie! Cookie, were you not following me? Were you not following me since before today? I swear you've chatted here before, and you weren't following me before? Because I just got a notification before I started streaming that you started following me. And I was like, huh? Huh? Nani? You didn't realize it? Hi, Damon. Thank you so much for following Fishy. Hi. You got legs? I got legs? Yes, I have. Crazy, I have legs. For real, for real. Gotta eat your legs, for real, for real. You are eating noodles, I know. Hi, RQ! Good morning! Okay, I need to figure out where the rest of this shit is. I don't really want to put the ramen right now. Thank you for following Sean Eats Food. Streamer is Ray. Ray? Is a demon? You changed your name? Oh, do you want me to call you Demon or Damon? We just started. And I've been distracted by talking, so like we haven't done any progress at all. It's just been yapping and yapping and... Yeah, I had to be right in my mic to do that. Why don't they give better detailed guide? Eh? Yeah, I got my CPU installed. That's about it. Like sunscreen and legs and bowl. Double legs. No, I like my holes. I like my holes, okay? Then you can go like this. Then you can just hold hand, finger in hole. Specs. X Nation specs. Well, this new build comes with your gold Tangia? Maybe. I will try to fix stuff. Wait. Easy scratchy scratch. Exactly! If your leg get itchy, then easy scratch. And I need to figure out where the fuck the... I'm so confused. Okay. It is here. This here should be where the NVMe goes. But I need to figure out how to open it. Also, what the fuck is this? Why is there plastic? I didn't even know that was there. Okay, that's bad. Is that a circle knob? I don't know what the fuck that is, honestly. Why? Why is not just like screw? Like this one says M.2 armor and this says blazing M.2. And now they took the like motherboard guides used to be like a fucking book. Okay, like a massive fucking book. Do you see this? This one sheet of paper that doesn't tell you where the NVMe goes? What? The fuck? Yeah, strong PC. Top one is faster? Usually. That's what I figured. But I need to figure out how the fuck to open it. I want to... Oh, I found more plastic. I found more plastic! Oh. Yeah, I'm taking that off. Fuck that. No plastic on my build, please. Bless. Goodbye. Goodbye. Sad. Chilla! Ayaya. Ayaya. I think you have to unscrew it too. Maybe. Maybe. I don't want to Google things. Thank you for liking Xian. Monster Hunter, any game on this is gonna be crazy. See the great chakras nose. Usually the top one is connected directly to the CPU, the rest go through motherboard chipset, but there was 1 or 2 models that had this swapped. I believe this one, because this one says blazing M.2, it's probably directly through the CPU on this one. But how the fuck you open it? I am so confused. Thank you to know. It's toolless mount and it's PCIe 5.0. I don't know what that means. The outside of the static bag isn't static proof. It's okay. It's not, I don't have carpet or anything. What did I say? It's toolless. It's a magnet? Wait. Does that mean I can just lift up on it? You say it should be toolless, but push the knob to the left. Left. Wow! Oh my god, you guys are so fucking smart. That's crazy! Wait, remove liner. Okay, I need to remove the liner on both the top and the bottom. That's insane. I've never seen anything like that. This is all new tech to me. It's been so long since I built a computer, by the way. Like,